Hi there, it's about 2 minutes before 12 noon. It is the 10th day of 2018. Today is Thursday. I have on my gold or yellow. That means it's Entrepreneur Appreciation Day. Late, brother, sir. We appreciate you, entrepreneurs. The stellar word for this year is diligence. And my theme for this year, as I walk ever upward on Martin Luther King Boulevard with confidence and strength to love, is I've been to the mountaintop and I'm there now. Once upon this planet Earth lived a man of humble birth, preaching love, and freedom for his fellow man. He was dreaming of a day peace will come to earth to stay. And he spread his message all across the land. Okay, I'm cutting the song short, trying to keep this under 5 minutes. But I love you, I love you from the mountaintop, and I will not stop. As Pokey the Pig would say, Abika, that's all, folks. I love you, and there's nothing you can do about it. Paradoxically, I love you, and there's something you can do about it. Bye-bye.